My name is Logan Stein. I'm a product development specialist here at Switch Vehicles, and today I'm going to be walking you guys through an unboxing of our Relay Lab Kit. Let's jump right in. This is our lab kit. It comes in a nice canvas bag that holds everything when it's disassembled. The first thing in here, we got our wiring diagram for the Relay Lab Kit, as well as our assembly instructions. Now, both of these are not provided physically in the bag, but they are available in digital copies on our forum for any teachers who have purchased the kit. We have our component kit. This contains all of the lights, relays, buzzers, motors, and fuse blocks that we use in the Relay Lab Kit. It's kind of all the electrical components. Then next we have a hardware kit. This is all the mounting components, all of the little legs for the Relay Lab Kit and everything of that nature. Next up is the fuse kit. Self-explanatory, that's all of our fuses for all the components and fuse blocks. After that, we have a tool kit. This contains a screwdriver and a stripper and crimper, so everything you need to wire up the lab kit, and it'll even work if you have a Switch vehicle to do some little electrical mods on that as well. We also have some different jaws if you need to use it for other tasks. Now, second to last in here, we have our lab kit panel. We have got a nice sticker on here. All of our components are labeled, as well as some different little component icons on there. And then last but not least is our wire. Now, we provide 10 spools of wire with each Relay Lab Kit. This is enough for you to build it up and take it down a few times without reusing the wires. And it's a lot of wire. We got all the colors in here so you can keep yourself organized, follow the wiring diagram, and help your students understand how this thing works. Our Relay Lab Kit is intended as an introduction to electronic theory and electric vehicle circuits. It is intended to give your students a good baseline knowledge before moving on to a more complex project like our EV trainer or Switch Lab Kit. Here we have our fully assembled Relay Lab Kit with all of our labeled components on the front with that nice sticker, and on the back, everything is labeled too. We will provide stickers for all of the components on the back in our lab kit bags. Now, as you can see, all of this wiring here would be done by your students. They will cut, crimp, and splice all these wires together to get the system working. And that means that they have to fully understand this wiring diagram and how it works in order to get the Relay Lab Kit working at all. Now let's talk about how the Relay Lab Kit works in its function as a simulator for an electric vehicle. We're going to start by connecting our positive and negative leads to the battery. Our common ground, as you can see on the front panel, is right here. And then our positive connects right to the main disconnect. That way, when you push the main disconnect, everything shuts down. We're just going to connect those right up to a 12-volt battery. And now our lab kit has power and everything should be working. When you turn on the key, just like a normal vehicle, you'll have a ready light. And this is just informing you the vehicle's ready to drive. Same as our switch lab, we have our forward, neutral, reverse switch. We put it into forward and our motor spins just like a real car. Now, like a real car, we have some safety features built in, simulated, but if you were to be driving and crash your car, we have a switch that will detect the crash and shut off everything. Same way, if you're uncomfortable while you're driving, you press your big red button, your main disconnect. We also have reverse, and the same thing happens. If you crash in reverse, you crash in reverse. The only other thing is when you're charging, you don't want to be able to drive. So if you're driving and you insert your charge, it swaps the vehicle to charge state. Same with reverse and everything else, and then it'll go right back to driving when you're done. Now that we've covered the Relay Lab Kit and what it includes, if you would like to challenge yourself or your students to build this, feel free to reach out to us at theswitchlab.com or call us at 707-829-5746. Happy building!